Yes.
My lord, I have filed one additional affidavit yesterday in today's item number 20, my lord, contempt case. So this additional affidavit may be called for, my lord.
Give us requisition.
Please, Your Lordship. My lord, I have pair for application of 2 matters, my lord. Item number 22 and 24, my lord.
22 and 24.
Yes, my lord. And regarding item number 13, my lord, that may kindly be adjourned for the day only. Item 13, my lord.
13.
Yes, my lord, for the day only.
It's a 2016 matter. You'll
I
have to
understand,
wait.
my lord. Any day in the next week.
It's
Hearing
okay.
them.
Just let it be called because we have to pass some orders. The
My lord.
16, 17, 80s are.
I have a difficulty for
that's-
today, my lord.
You ask
Any
somebody
day in
to
the
be
next
here, but we'll have to take it up.
My lord.
16, 17, 18 is very
Yes.
hard to adjourn.
We understand.
We are facing criticism.
My lord.
My lord, I beg to mention, in respect of item number 7, Your Lordship, kindly the matter may be passed over for a week, Your Lordship.
7 is again 2018. We'll have to take it up. 16, 17, 18, we are taking it up
I have
and then
some
passing. on.
difficulty, my lord, today. Not item 10, my lord, I have similar request, my lord.
10 is 23, yes.
I'm having vertigo today, my lord,
Okay.
for the day, my
No, it's okay. 23 matter, we not.
lord. I'm grateful, my lord.
Item 10, both sides are represented on the prayer made by Mr. A.W. Aman, counsel for the petitioner. List after
Next week, my lord, sometime or
list after a week. Okay. Item 10, there are adjournment slip for item number 15 and 16.
I'm
You
to
adjourn that.
16.
15 and 16. Both sides are represented on the prayer made by the counsel for the petitioner. Maximum don't play. 15, 16. no?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I'd like to mention item number 1, Your Lordship.
Item 1.
Yes, Your Lordship. No, maybe pass over the day, Your Lordship. Next week in date, Your Lordship.
Okay. Just wait for a minute. Let it be called. We'll pass orders.
May it please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 23, Your Lordship.
Item
23, supply.
23.
3, Your Lordship. Your Lordship. Can I
Okay,
please take up the motion matter, Your Lordship?
Okay, we'll take it up. You want an upgradation?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, just wait.
God bless.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lord, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord.
Item
16, my lord. We have given the adjournment request from my.
16, we have already adjourned.
Okay, thank you.
Item 1 for motion.
Your Lordship, in this case, I have clear for adjournment, Your Lordship. The line.
It's okay. We'll have to look
Yes,
into
sir.
it. It's motion of 2020.
Actually, this matter already disposed of after full and final hearing, Your Lordship.
This continuous default on your part to.
Yes, Your Lordship, in the last date, land council, we could not release in time, Your Lordship.
We'll take it up next Monday,
Next month, Tuesday,
17.
Your Lordship. Tuesday.
17, 11, 2025. This is. Both sides are represented. The records of the tribunal is received. In view of the projection made in this
Your Lordship.
requisition, comma, issued rule returnable forthwith without requiring any first steps to be taken.
Lordship, Learned Council who is dealing with this case, he will not be present in 17, Your Lordship. Maybe on
Okay, 18 then.
next week, Your Lordship. Then,
No,
either next week,
no, we, with this 2020 matter, we are facing difficulties. 18, he can come.
before 10, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Before 10, maybe. Before 10.
Before 10.
Before 10th is today only.
No, sorry, Your Lordship.
Huh.
14, Your Lordship.
No. 14th, we have matters already fixed.
So 21, Your Lordship.
Okay, 14th. 14th.
Not, Your Lordship.
Return without taking any step to be taken. List the matter for hearing on 14, 11, 2025.
Item 2 for motion.
By order.
Records.
One more.
Everything's fine. Okay, none appears on call for the petitioner. Well, Spencer appears for the respondent. In view of the records, the tribunal, which was called for is received. Next, review of the projection made in this writ petition. On court is inclined to issue notice of motion returnable on 17/11/2025. Without requiring any steps to be taken. As all the respondents are there represented. Next part, list in the admission column on 17/11/2025. Notice.
Supplementary item 18 for delivery of order. Review petition 209/25. 18 review petition 209/25. Item 19 WPC 4968/25. Item 3 for motion.
But a record has been called in this case. But on the last occasion, we have produced a photocopy.
Protect.
Moiga.
Morigaon কিমান?
Morigo one, Morigo one.
Lordship. Lordship. Yes. Lordship, related, fixed on next Monday, Lordship, what happened, Lordship, then next again, if we fail Lordship, then Lordship may pass the order to.
My lord.
Yes, Lordship. Okay. Only 1 week time may be allowed, Lordship.
My lord, in that case, my lord, you may be allowed to go on bail, my lord.
Next week, Lordship,
My lord, my lord.
yes. Yes, Lordship, yes, Lordship.
धन्यवाद. कारण मोठा दिले साऊथ इंडियन लागले.
Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, I may be excused. Item number 2, my lord, I have made. My lord. My lord, there was an order after receiving the LCR, my interim order will be considered because it is of 24. So my lord, LCR received, my lord. If your lordship consider that interim protection, my lord. My lord, my first submission before your lordship, my father deposed on my favor. My lord, the GP certificate is there, man. My lord. DW4, my lord, that secretary GP secretary, my lord. Page 59 may be looked into, my lord. I am GP secretary, my lord. Yes, my lord. Panchayat certificate, my lord, other documents regarding my grandparents, my lord. My lord, first one is this Panchayat certificate, my lord. GP certificate, page 31, and the evidence at page 59. Page number, my lord, 31. Srimati Surjo Banu got married so and so. Daughter. Page 28, madam.
The petitioner got married on 28th. Month and year he does not know.
My lord,
I just said wonderful, I didn't say bad.
see, my lord, this Panchayat certificate, my lord, it issued, my lord, I am illiterate lady, my lord. That they used to write something. We cannot dictate, one. My lord, only thing is this, my father named Kobad Ali.
What is the, which is the voter list where your name first appeared?
My name, my lord.
Yes.
2005, my lord, at page 29. And that was with my husband, my lord.
Two thousand five.
2005.
Which
Yes.
page?
page 29, my lord.
29. Number 2, just add there, Mr. M.A. Sheikh, learned counsel for the petitioner. That's what. You already issued notice, the next date is 17/11. Take it up for admission.
Obliged, Lordship.
Okay, you are praying for bail.
My lord. So, my lord, on 24/5/2024, my lord, your lordship pass an order, issue notice, returnable by called LCR. Interim will be considered after receiving the LCR. So, my lord, LCR received, my lord, I may be protected, my lord.
Okay. In view of the projection made in the petition, 10 days time to take bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of Superintendent of Police Border,
Golpara, my lord.
Gwalpara. You're taking it up next on 17th. 17/11
My lord.
for admission.
Yes, ma'am. My lord, 10 days time granted to me, my lord. Obliged, Lordship.
Mr. Sheikh, just to clarify, granted not to you, but to the petitioner. 10 days time is granted to the petitioner, not to you.
My lord,
No, just clarified.
what happened, my lord? We marched with our client.
No, I
When
understand.
I say
That's why-
I
No,
means
no.
my client. my lord.
Mr. Sheikh, nothing to do with your submission.
Well,
I just want to make the mood lighter. That's all. Nothing to do with you.
My lord. Obliged, Lordship.
Just did not smile today, so I just took this opportunity.
Much obliged.
Item 4,
So, Lordship, in this matter, the father of the petitioner is behind the bar, your lordship, in detention center, your lordship.
Hmm?
The father of the present petitioner is in the detention center.
He was
Oh.
taken into custody when?
Yes, earlier what has happened, your lordship, earlier para number 3 reflects, your page 3 para number 3 reflects that continuously he was behind the bar in respect of this case for more than 4 years. So 2 years of detention, the apex court itself stated that the continuously 2 years behind the detention or in detain, he may be deported, but he's not being deported and he's freshly arrested by the authorities on 23rd of May. 2020. Earlier was continuously he's behind the bar for
করা নাই একটু silence করা নাই না আগত ছিলেন
Page 9 is the order by which he was declared as foreigner. Yeah, yeah. Happened everything.
Okay, we'll issue notice, you gave your response.
I think it's WS.
Heard. Mr. R.P. Hazariga and counsel for the petitioner and so for the respondents. the case of the petitioner is that pursuant to opinion dated 1/12/2009, passed by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal, second, Nagaon, in FT case number 2035 of 2008, he was taken into custody on 12/8/2015 and was released on 4/12/2019. And thereafter, the petitioner has again been taken into custody on 23/5/2025 and is presently kept at the holding area under 7th Assam Police Battalion, Choraikola, Kokrajhar. Accordingly, by filing this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has prayed for releasing the
Father of the petitioner.
or the father of the petitioner, namely Tahir Ali, on bail. Tahir Ali, no? That opinion is against Tahir Ali. Father Mohammed MD, Mohammed Tahir TAHER Ali. Where is Tahir Ali? From detention center, from the holding area, and before that will be for grant of bail and for releasing him from the holding area. Next, issue notice returnable on. How much time you need?
1 week is sufficient load.
Notice returnable on 19/11/2025.
19 is not possible. 20,
Then 21st,
25.
21/11/2025. Extra copies of the writ petition which served on journalist. CG State and Department of Hospital, in the course of the day. We give you visitation right and the opportunity to get Pakatama. In the meanwhile, the petitioner on production of a certified copy of the order before the in charge of the holding area in the 7th Assam Police Battalion, Saraikola, Kokrajhar. The said authority shall permit the petitioner and one family member to meet the detained foreign national, namely Mohammed Tahir Ali, and to take his signature in the Wakalatnama. If he has not already. To be authenticated by the said authority. Next list on 21/11/2025. We are giving you visitation right.
Yes, deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
Item 5.
But give the copies today, otherwise you may not get instructions.
Dr. Bradley.
Yes,
Indian order is at page number 38, your lordship.
38.
Lordship. Order dated 19/9/2023, your lordship.
Had Mohammed A. Rahman, National Counsel for the petitioner, and so for the respondents. Opinion at page 38, dated 19/9/2023. Passed by Sweden Insurance Group. Declaring the petitioner to be a forms of 35 to 1971 stream. Notice returnable on so and so, extra copies within 2 days. Call for the relevant department, concerned tribunal with the following email address. Declare for bail shall be considered on receipt of record. Next para, in the meanwhile, if the petitioner, namely Musammat Minara Begum, alias so and so is apprehended, comma, she shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Next, the petitioner shall cause production of the certified copy of the order before the Superintendent of Police, Border, Nagaon. Nagaon, bring the order to the notice of the said authority based on so and so.
Highly obliged.
Supplementary item 20 for motion.
My lord, I have sent the requisition form, my lord, it will not come. The lordship may see the photographs of my office copy, my lord.
Oh, that has not come.
But my office copy is there, photographs. are-
Let the official report. Wait for some time. It will come. Requisition has gone.
Upgraded item 11. For orders.
Wait, please, this one. While filing the writ appeal, my lords, a delay of 1253 days of occasion, my lords. Although in the first glance, the delay seems to be inordinate, but my lords, out of the 1253 days, 923 days were spent pursuing the review petition, my lords. So what had happened, my lords, the matter pertains to appointment of Anganwadi worker. The present appellant, my lords, was appointed as an Anganwadi worker, which was challenged, my lords, by a contesting party by filing a writ petition. That writ petition was allowed and my appointment was set aside. Now, pursuant to that, my lords, I filed a review application because certain things were not disclosed, my lords. And in the review application, my lords, notices were issued, my lords, on the first day. Being satisfied that there was a prima facie case, notices was issued. And after notices were issued, my lords, the matter went on for 923 days, and the review was later dismissed, my lords. Now, my lords, after the review was dismissed, there is a delay of 301 days. So essentially, my lords, if the time spent in the in pursuing the review petition is subtracted, the delay is 300 days, my lords. Now, my lords, there is also a judgment of this Honorable High Court, my lords, wherein under similar circumstances, my lords, by relying on a Privy Council judgment, it was held, my lords, that if the review is not filed as a dilatory tactic or to subserve justice, my lords, in that case, the time spent in delay should be condoned, my lords. Well, may I kindly place the judgment, my lords?
But what is the explanation for 300 more days?
Yes, 300 more days, my lords. The explanation, my lord, would find at paragraph 3, my lord. My lord, she belongs to the lowest strata of the society, my lord, from a very interior village of Nalbari, my lords, Khata Pajipur, my lords. And after it was dismissed, my lords, the explanation, my lord, I have stated in paragraph 3, my lord, of the application. Okay, just bring that here. Move करने दिया.
This last line is something we can't condone.
My lord,
Last line of paragraph 3 is something we can't condone.
last line. Yes, manpower. I understand. My lord. That's the truth, my lord. That is what had happened, my lord. Now, on merits also, I have a very good case, my lord. My lord, there are also judgments, my lord. My lord is already aware, my lord, because this is condoning delay is discretionary, my lord. And when pitted with substantive justice, it should. My lord, may kindly take up the judgment, my lord. Similar, my lord, 1200 odd days, my lord. It was condoned. Won't trouble your lordship with the entire matter, my lord. Lordship may directly come to paragraph 10, my lord, of the judgment authored by Honorable Justice Mir Alfaz Ali, my lord. May I read, my lord, paragraph 10? So the delay was 1293 days, my lord.
No, that is otherwise covered by section 14. We are not on that.
My lord.
The subsequent delay of 300 days.
300 days, yes. That is the, my lord. No, my lord, even on merits, my lord, if I may briefly point out, my lord.
We'll come to the
Yes, yes.
merit
I'm
later
so
on.
sorry, I'm so sorry. Three hundred and one days, my lord. Yeah.
Yes, what is your statement about the on merit? What is the case?
Yes,
you
yes,
have?
my lords. Very briefly point out, my lords, in the village, my lords, there are two adjacent Anganwadi centers, my lords. And the names of the centers are deceptively similar. One is called Khata Pajipor and what is Khata Pajipor Pub. Now, my lords, when the present applicant, who was the respondent in the writ petition, when she was appointed, just no idea. Application.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Now, my lords,
Yes.
two Anganwadi centers, my lords. The advertisement was on the basis of the name of the Anganwadi center, my lords. But, my lords, the Anganwadi centers, they possess distinct numbers. One is number 217 and other is number 23. Now, my lords, when the present applicant, who was the respondent in the writ petition, when she was appointed as the rightfully appointed as the Anganwadi worker, the writ petitioner contended that no, she had scored more marks. She had scored more marks, and that's why she was entitled to be the Anganwadi worker, my lords, for that particular Anganwadi center. So, my lords, while filing affidavits, my lords, it was categorically stated that the writ petitioner, she belongs to a different center, and the vacancy has arisen in the center where I am a member of that center, my lords. Because, my lords, there are AWCs, my lords, for Anganwadi center. Only inhabitants who are living within the AWC can apply for the post of Anganwadi worker, my lords. But however, there was some confusion with the name, my lords, and the writ petition was decided in favor of the writ petitioner. Thereafter, my lords, by filing the review petitioner, the present applicant, had pointed out specifically that the vacancy has arisen in the Anganwadi center where she is an inhabitant because a person had died there. The earlier erstwhile Anganwadi worker had after her demise, the center became vacant, and on that center, the advertisement was made. And admittedly, my lords, the writ petitioner is the member of the other Anganwadi center. And it was pointed out by my lords producing documents where it is clearly shown, even they would admit, my lords, they don't belong to the Anganwadi center number 23, but they belong to the Anganwadi center number 217. Now, if that is the case, from the records, it would appear that the vacancy has arisen in Anganwadi center number 23, irrespective of the name, my lord. And I am a inhabitant within the center number 23. So in any case, there are guidelines, my lords. A person who's not an inhabitant within the center cannot even apply for that Anganwadi center. And admittedly, the review petitioner, the writ petitioner, or the present private respondent, my lords, is a member of Anganwadi center number 217. Now, it would appear directly from the records, my lords. Or even my lords calls for the records, it would appear the vacancy has arisen in 23, and I can
You
show,
see,
my lord.
what is the materials available with you? You please come to page 31. Last paragraph. Page 31 of the memo appeal. What is the answer you have for that?
Oh,
Memo
question,
appeal.
page 31, the last paragraph.
Page
Is it?
31, last paragraph.
Yes, yes.
What is the
As per
answer
me,
you have?
Lordship, kindly give me a moment. I'll kindly. As per me, so can you?
You will lordship give me some time. I have not received the memo of appeal, so I'll make submission on the merit, my lord. I have received the condonation of petition, and there is apparent we have filed objection after dismissal of the review petition. Then also almost 900.
Not 900,
months,
my lord,
9
300 days, 300 days
Yes,
exactly.
9 months, almost 9 months. And the grounds are not also, my lord, satisfactory. If your lordship allow me to submit on merit.
Yes,
Let
I
it
think,
come
my
on
lord-
Monday, my lord, then I'll submit on.
I can
merit.
clarify this, my lord.
Give a copy to.
Yes, I'll submit on. I have
Yes.
not received. This is under BTC, respondent for my lord BTC. Fourth grade employment and third grade their name is not for.
Okay, BDC is a party.
Party, main party.
Okay.
In fourth grade, third grade, fourth, the authority was in BTC.
Mr. P. Mohanpal, and counsel for the applicant is present. Mr. N. Sharma, and counsel for the,
Opposite party.
you for the government,
One, my lord, respondent number one.
Private respondent.
Private.
okay. The counsel for respondent one. Praise for being provided with a copy of the connected memo of appeal. To enable him to make his submissions. Let the same be provided to him within 2 days. Next para, the Mr. P. Sharma, and an additional senior government advocate has submitted that
2, 3, 4.
in this case, he would be appearing for respondent numbers
2, 3,
2,
5.
3, and 5. And he submits that the respondent number 4 and 6 are within the jurisdiction of the BTC, and accordingly he submits that standing counsel for BTC would appear for them. Next paragraph. Accordingly,
14 of the 21, no?
the learned counsel for the petitioner shall provide a copy of the memo of appeal to the learned additional senior government advocate and as well as to the standing counsel for the BTC within 2 days. Next paragraph, the registry shall reflect the name of SC BTC while listing the matter next. Next paragraph, list on 17/11/2025.
17, my lord.
Yes.
Well, 14 to 17, I'm not 21, after 21st, my lord, if it is possible, or before 14th, my lord. 1 week I'll be out of station, my lord. 14 to 25.
Yes.
13th,
Any day.
any,
13th.
ठीक है?
13th is Thursday, make it 12th then.
12th, my lord, 12th. 12th. Deeply obliged, my lord. I'll satisfy on that point, my lord. You have it. No, no, no.
Time being item 20 for motion.
Okay. Petition. Heard. Mrs. SB Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next paragraph. Pursuant to leave granted by order dated 6/11/2025, the petitioner has filed an additional affidavit to bring on record the photographs of the construction which is going on site. Next. paragraph. Alleging willful and deliberate disobedience to the order dated 22/10/2025 passed by this court in PIL 45 of 2025. On the present contempt petition has been filed under Section 12 of the Contempt of Courts Act, read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India. Next paragraph. Issue notice returnable on 12/12/2025. The petitioner shall take steps in course of the day for service of notice on the respondents by registered post with AD. Your notice would never be served. You will have you will have difficult times to convince us that the notice is served into a proper address. For respondent number 1, you have not even provided the address.
Address, my lord.
As this being a contempt petition, the respondents on receipt of notice shall ensure that their affidavit is positively filed on or before the next date of listing. Next para, the pendency of this contempt petition shall not be a bar for the respondent numbers 1 and 2 to comply with the directions contained in the order dated 22/10/2025, passed in PIL 45 of 2025. Next one, list on 12/12/2025.
Upgraded item 12.
Please, your lordship. My lord, I have filed this IA, my lord, for praying for some time to appear as per this honorable court's order, my lord.
January, this is now November. What's the explanation for 10 months?
My lord, actually, for the first time, the bail was not granted. And thereafter, bail granted, my lord, but the petitioner was out of station for his livelihood, my lord. He was not aware. There was communication gap also. Mobile phone connection was not possible, my lord. So, my lord, when he has come, my lord, recently, my lord, immediately we have filed, my lord. So, my lord, he is available, my lord. He will appear, my lord, positively, my lord. One opportunity may be given.
Explanation.
My lord, paragraph 3, my lord, I have stated, my lord.
We are unable to proceed to the prayer. We are unable to concede to the prayer. Kindly come to page 8 of this application.
My lord.
Yes, you're there at page 8. And come to page 13 of the writ petition. Look at the phone number, both are same. The telephone is out of order, for which the petitioner could not be contacted, is perhaps not a correct statement.
Phone number was there, my lord, till number at that time, my lord, when he was out of station, the phone was not working, my lord.
That is the difficulty of the petitioner, not of the court. Why should the court give an extension time to take bail?
But only one opportunity may be given to appear, my lord.
Once you don't take bail, then otherwise make it a habit. When you file a writ petition, you also enclose therewith an invitation card with full address, stamp, or that what you call postal stamps and all, everything given, so that you can send an invitation card to come and take bail. No, sorry, we are not extending time.
My lord, I
You
humbly
see-
pray, my lord, one opportunity.
No, you see, this is a case of partial amnesia. The petitioner gave a mobile number, then the phone does not work. And then it only works when the petitioner wants to contact the council. It's a wonderful mobile. We in fact need that handset. Then it works only when I want to contact only one contact number, then it works. It is fantastic.
That is,
Oh, we are sorry. This is
My lord,
not an explanation we can
this
accept.
point, Lordship may kindly consider, my lord,
No, no,
that the bail granted by this honorable court, my lord.
we understand, but you did not accept it.
My lord, humble prayer, my lord, on Friday we give up, my lord.
I don't know.
I'm, yeah, my lord. Humble only.
Oh, no.
My lord.
Come right, Lucy.
May I please the lordship, my lord? But on last occasion, my lord, Mr. Ali was directed to get the instruction, my lord, whether this instruction has been received also. The village name, as per the instruction, is Upoti Mari, your lord. As yes. My lord, I have been newly engaged in this case, my lord. In this regard, my lord. The cost title is Rustam Ali, Muhammad Rustam Ali. And in the affidavit, my lord, I have to see, my lord. It is only Rustam Ali, no, Muhammad is not there. I understand, my lord. It is, my lord, sometimes, my lord, Muhammad is written. Yeah, yes, my lord, I admit that. But regarding the village name, my lord, that all along, my lord, in all the voter list, my lord, that appears to be, my lord, Potimari. But in the vernacular in Assamese, my lord, that was wrongly given in the 1970 voter list. Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Next para. As the records are received, the court is inclined to issue rule returnable forthwith without requiring any press steps to be taken. This is the matter for hearing in the first week of December 2025. You're already on bail.
I understand, my lord. Lordship, can it be, my lord, fixed in any date, my lord, fixed date, my lord? Lordship will kindly give a fixed
This
date.
is 2025 matter. We can't
My lord, leave it.
fix a date right now.
If it is possible, my lord, in the first week of December, my lord,
Sit first week of December.
my lord. There is another item, my lord, item 24, my lord. If your lordship kindly, my lord, please to take it up, my lord. That is also updated, my lord.
20,
24, my lord.
we are calling it, I think 23 is also updated.
Yes. My lord.
We'll take it as per his.
My lord. My lord.
Item 23.
Yes,
Lordship, your lordship will find an impugn order from page 52, your lordship.
yes,
Your lordship, she was declared to be a foreigner by the Foreigners Tribunal in Jorhat back on 10/8/2022. Your
yes.
lordship, your lordship, she was picked up by the authorities, your lordship, during the Uzbek time, your lordship, and she was kept in detention, your lordship. Since her family members were not aware of about her whereabouts,
Because we are aware,
your husband filed a written petition, your lordship.
you show
No,
how
I'm
you connect
challenging-
yourself to your projected parents.
Yes, your lordship. In the voter, if your lordship move on to the voter list of 1965, your lordship. Your lordship will find my father's and my mother's name. They're Umaid Ali and Asiya Hatun, your lordship. 1965 voter list, your lordship will find in page number 23, 24. 23, 24, 311, 312, serial number, your lordship.
Just a moment. Which is your first voter list?
Your
where your
lordship,
name
voter
appears?
list of 1965.
Your.
Your lordship will find my first voter list in the year 1989 in my parental house, your lordship. Your lordship, page 27, your lordship. 27, 28. 27 is the type copy. I have mentioned in my written statement, your lordship, here my name has been wrongly shown as Maria instead of Rabia. But your lordship, it-
Just a moment.
lordship, but your lordship, in
No,
the
no, where is the voter list?
your lordship, page 27, 28. 27 is the type copy, your lordship. My name has been shown in serial number 81, your lordship. Umaid Ali, Asya Khatun, and Maria. Umaid Ali and Asya Khatun are my parents, and my name has been wrongly shown as Maria. But in the voter list of 1993, it has been rectified, your lordship.
This creates a problem.
Yes, your lordship.
You see, please come to page number 45.
45. lordship. Yes, your lordship.
45, your age is 46
Lordship,
in 2018.
lordship.
If you are 46 in 2018, you were born in 1972.
Yes, your lordship.
21 is the age of franchisee. Your
1989,
age-
it was 18, your lordship. 1989, maybe it was 18. Because after 1984, the voter year was decreased, age limit was decreased to 18 by the then Rajiv Gandhi government, your lordship. So, your lordship, there is a
Then
difference of
also,
1
then
year,
also you become, even if it was 18,
your lordship.
then
I should be in 71. There is a difference of around 1 year, your lordship. Not a vast difference, your lordship.
but you don't know you have given it on oath.
Your lordship, if your lordship move on to 1993, your lordship. Your lordship will find my age as 22 here.
Which
And my
page-
name is
page? Cross the page.
Your lordship, page 2930. So my name is again with my parents and my elder brother.
Nineteen ninety-three,
Lordship. Now, your lordship, my elder brother Chanmia, he appeared before the tribunal by filing his evidence as DW2. Your lordship, it has been stated in the order, your lordship. However, your lordship, due to health reason, in the tribunal itself, he suffered from epilepsy, your lordship. And that's why his deposition, your lordship, could not be taken, your lordship.
where is that?
Your lordship, actually, your lordship will find here. Your lordship, page 53. Second page of the
But, You
imperial
know,
order.
when you are showing us this page 30,
Yes, sir.
which is the voter list of 1993,
Lordship.
please come to page 50.
Lordship.
In process, you say you got married in 1992,
Lordship.
but you're not in your your marital home.
Yeah,
The name
your lordship,
appears-
there are several instances, your lordship, when your lordship, the name doesn't get transferred, your lordship. I'll submit an order to that effect, your lordship. Your lordship, there are even many girls, your lordship, when their names get transferred in their matrimonial house. After few years, your lordship.
No, you see, those are general statement,
Yes, lordship.
but we are dealing with a
And
specific
your
case.
lordship, these are lay people, lay person, your lordship, they are not that much concerned, your lordship. It is after they come across some obstacles, your lordship, regarding schemes and all, then they'll run here and there to get their name transfer from one place to other, your lordship.
And we don't know how this has come to our record. Come to page 49.
Lordship.
Page 49, the handwritten note, how it has come, we don't know.
Yeah.
Their marriage 1993.
Lordship. Yes, your lordship. Here it is written 1993. But in our deposition, she said 1992. And this is perhaps a evidence, your lordship, the evidence in affidavit, your lordship.
Come to page 53,
Lordship. Lordship.
when you are referring to your brother's evidence,
Lordship.
come to page 53,
Lordship.
53 last paragraph.
It is pertinent to mention that one Sanmia, who claims himself to be the elder brother of the Posted DW1, namely Rabia Khatun, though adduced his evidence as DW, but subsequently he has withdrawn his evidence on affidavit tendered by him. Your lordship, he withdrawn his evidence, your lordship, but everything has not been stated. He filed his evidence, he went there, he suffered from epilepsy, he had some problem.
But
your
we
lordship.
don't know, you see, we can't say that
Yes,
the order
Lord.
of the tribunal was incorrect.
Yes, your lordship, but it is a fact, your lordship, he has submitted an evidence on affidavit, your lordship.
It was withdrawn.
Yes, your lordship, but he has submitted an evidence and affidavit, your lordship. That is corroborative in nature. The only thing is that, your lordship, the very matter that her name appeared along with her parents back in the voter list of 1989 and 1993, and she has projected it all throughout from her written statement itself in her evidence, your lordship. Your lordship, this is a vital linkage, your lordship, that I'm trying to project before your lordship. Your lordship.
Then, you don't know, here I find something very, everything is touch here and touch go, that's why. Page 55,
Lordship. Yes.
in the middle, my father is the only son.
Yes, your lordship. Your lordship, in this regard, your lordship, I refer to Hyder Ali, your lordship, where it is categorically stated, your lordship, in that order. What is relevant is that, your lordship, I have to link myself someone with the voter list prior to 1970. The other things are irrelevant, whether I have mentioned the name of my father's brother, my grandfather. If I have mentioned it, it strengthened my case. But even if I have not mentioned it, it doesn't weaken my case, your lordship. That has been stated in Hyder Ali, your lordship. Your lordship, this is a thing, your lordship, that my father was the only son of his.
Hyder Ali did not consider the previous judgments of this court where it says that the disclosure of the entire family history is required in a written statement and then proved.
Lordship.
Hyder Ali has to be treated as an exception. There are two judgments, one after the other, 2018,
Lordship.
difference of few days. Both say that the evidence on affidavit, also the written statement must contain the relevant facts, disclosure of the family members, and then proved in the evidence.
Yes, sir. But in Hyder Ali, your lordship, subject to correction, your lordship, Hyder Ali, your lordship, in the order states that written statement here is only a misnomer, your lordship. It cannot be equated with the written statement of order 8 of CPC. So that's a different argument.
According to
altogether,
you,
your lordship.
which decision we should follow, the previous one or the?
I'll leave it to your lordship now, your lordship. But your lordship, I'd like to, your lordship, take your lordship attention to another judgment in Farida Begum, your lordship, where this honorable court states that since the name of the proceedee was found along with your parents, your lordship, that is a vital, your lordship, documents.
But again, then there is a finding at page 55.
Lordship,
Come to page 55, second paragraph.
lordship. Lordship. That apart in her cross state, my father,
No, that apart.
That
In a
apart.
cross state.
cross statement, the proceeded DW1 state had Abdul Ghaffur was a grandfather and Jubeda Khatun was a grandmother. But in para 7 of the evidence of her elder brother named Sanmia, it mentioned it herein that the name of the grandfather DW2 son, known as Abdul Ali, is wrongly inserted there instead of Abdul Ghaffur, meaning thereby that the name appearing in Abdul Ali in both Exhibit 1 and should be read as Abdul Ghaffur. If that be so, then it would, without any manner of doubt, that Malu Hussain, the name recorded in both Exhibit 1, should have related as the paternal uncle of the proceedee DW1 as well as Sanmia DW2. However, if such assertion of DW2 is assumed to be true, then a fact disclosed in the cross of DW1 to the effect that my father was the only son of his parent, therefore becomes absolutely false, because if Malu Hussain was the elder brother of the father of the proceedee DW1, that is Umaid Ali, then it must be understood that the grandfather of the proceedee DW1, that is Abdul Ghaffur, had two sons in total, not one is disclosed by DW1 in her cross. Your lordship, there may be, your lordship, some, your lordship, confusion regarding the name of Malu Hussain. But I am straightforward and very clear and categorical, your lordship, regarding the name of my parents, your lordship, whose name appeared in the voter list of 1965, in the voter list of 1970, 89, 93, from the same village, same constituency, from the same district, your lordship. There is no shifting also in this case, your lordship. From the same place, your lordship. Okay. And my parents' name altogether has been appearing from 1965, your lordship, till 1993. And also thereafter, your lordship. I've still my other brothers, your lordship, whose name have been appearing along with my elder brother and my mother, your lordship. Even the Gaubura, your lordship, deposed in this. I couldn't annex the documents, your lordship, because I was not provided with documents, but I found in the record in the earlier date, your lordship. Well, you have to mention it's a DW3.
Apart from certain discrepancies, is the village is same. It was taken into custody on 26/5. 6 months have gone by. We release her on bail. Some connection is there. There's a missing link, but some connection is also there. Okay. But Mohammed, I have sent a counsel to the petitioner and so for the respondents. The records of the tribunal, which has been called for, is received. The learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for bail by submitting that the petitioner, namely so and so, was taken into custody on 26/5/2025 and is presently lodged at the holding center at Matia Golpara. Next, the prayer for bail is opposed by the learned standing counsel for the FT matters on the ground that the finding of the learned tribunal clearly discloses the petitioner to be the projected daughter of is- although the tribunal discloses that the petitioner has not been able to connect herself with her projected parents. And that the witnesses examined by the petitioner are not reliable. Next one, be that as it may. Having noticed that the petitioner had been taken into custody on 26/5/2025. Court is of the constant opinion that considering her length of detention, the petitioner be allowed to go on bail. Accordingly, it is provided as follows, the three conditions. 10 days, sorry, not 10 days, the family members of the petitioner shall appear before the superintendent of police border. Which place?
Lordship, Golaghat, your lordship.
Nagar. Furnished bail bond of 5,000 to the satisfaction of this letter party.
Your lordship, here is a correction, your
It
lordship.
is,
Your lordship, the tribunal was Jorhat. So I have made, the reference was of Jorhat. Your lordship, I'm not sure, your lordship, whether she'll have to appear before SP Jorhat or Golaghat, your lordship, in this case.
he'll be able to assist you, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, Lordship may direct whether it is both Jorhat and Golaghat may be directed.
Before the jurisdictional superintendent of police border of the district of Jorhat and or Golaghat, whosoever would have jurisdiction.
Yeah.
Within 3 days, he'll be released. The condition of grant of bail, the petitioner, namely so and so, is directed not to leave the jurisdiction of the jurisdictional superintendent of police border without prior intimation in writing. Very which it would be permissible to the state respondents to move an application for to make a prayer for cancellation of bail. Next one. As the records are received, court is inclined to issue rule return without requiring any steps to be taken. This mentioning 1/12/2025.
Like your lordship, must have done.
Upgraded item 24.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, the government council, they have filed one affidavit in opposition, my lord. And we received that affidavit on 4th of November, my lord. 4th of November. They have prepared a list, my lord, where the petitioner was shown to be, petitioner's mother, my lord, was shown to be arrested. And in para 7 of the, my lord, affidavit, it was running page 37. It stated that she was sent back to.
Filed on Monday, this Monday, maybe.
Yes,
She was sent back to my lord, India by the border guard Bangladesh. My lord. She was
Yeah.
tried to be put back. My lord. There is a list, my lord, but there is no separate list, my lord, from the other authorities, my lord, Bangladesh border. My lord. And the mother of the petitioner, my lord, she was under custody, my lord, when the proceeding was.
it's not been brought on record. When
Yeah,
it is
yeah.
filed, fourth,
On Monday, yes.
okay, both sides represented. The affidavit in opposition filed by the
Union of-
respondent number 1 on 4/11/2025 is not on record. Let this said affidavit be attached to the record. List on 12/11/2025.
The prayer for bail, my lord, your lordship had expressed your lordship's view, my lord, that the prayer for bail shall be considered the next day. On last occasion, my lordship has
Okay,
said,
but that affidavit is not there.
yes, my lord, on
Acha, just add there. The learned counsel of the petitioner is granted liberty to renew the prayer for bail on the next day.
Right.
Will speak. List on spells.
much obliged. My lord. Lord, I have another prayer, my lord. in my lord, there is I have a difficulty, my lord. In item 13, my lord, this is a hearing matter, my lord. Any hearing, my lord, lordship will kindly post it, my lord. I'm praying for adjournment for the day only, my lord. Item
No,
13 is
we'll have to take it up. This 2016 to 18 matters, we have difficulties.
mine. I'll leave it to you.
These are two flag matters, we have to take it up.
Can it be fixed at 2 p.m., my lord, if possible, my lord? My lord. Deeply pleased.
Upgraded item 25 with 26.
Lordship, I also filed our affidavit yesterday, Lordship.
Pardon me,
The affidavit is filed yesterday, so maybe it's not in record, Lordship.
file it.
Yes, Lordship.
Take it up on 12th then,
If not, can it be on 11th, my lord?
Hmm?
Can it be on 11th?
11. Okay.
And if possible, on that day, my bail application is also considered. I have been there jail in 24th May 2025.
In that case, ma'am, let
Both
both
is
the
in-
matter come up on 11th only, item 24 also,
Pardon me,
24 also, 24,
11,
25 and 26.
25, 26.
25. please. Yes.
both as a represented. The affidavit filed with the Union of India on 6/11/2025 is not on record. But that is simply proper record. Just on 11/11/2025. It permitted to renew the prayer for bail on the next day of.
Deeply obliged.
Item 6 for admission.
May I beg your lordship? As per judgment and order dated 28/2018, which is in page number 28, lordship. The petitioner is declared foreigner, whereas in the evidence on chief of BW 2 and 3, who is the brother of the petitioner, has stated that he is their sister, which is annexed in page 22, annexure 3.
you introduced DW3 as your brother.
Hmm.
Your brother, if you can just note down few dates, you will understand. Your brother, DW3,
Hmm.
submitted his evidence on 24/4/2018. On that day, he was 46 years.
Hmm.
Therefore, he would be born in 1972. And he gives evidence to the effect in his cross-examination that his father came from Bangladesh when he was 6 years old. That makes it 1978. So when you introduce a brother who admits that your father came from Bangladesh in 1978, you have no case, whatever be the evidence.
Actually, the petitioner was born on 1972. Pushpa Bhumik was born on 1972.
That makes it more difficult. You see, your brother comes and says, that's why I told you, you just, unless you take notes, you will not understand. Your brother comes in 2018, says he's 46 years, brings his date of birth, and if your sister, the petitioner is the elder sister, then you'll have to demonstrate that two children will be born in the same year. It's very unlikely. And therefore, even if that be the case, 72 he was born, and the petitioner was also born in 1972. Father came when they were 6 years old, makes it 78. Never thought that.
I know. I'm thinking something else. I'm thinking judges have got eagle eye. Eagle eye. Very difficult, my lord. So I always, what I do, I just place that from my side. I entire thing I place. Lordship decides whatever is there. Either one citizen wins or I win. That's the different issue. But I please enter what is there. That's the best thing.
Lordship, then adjourn the matter for today. My senior will argue. R. Shah.
Item 7.
Item 7. Aye. We'll call after some time, next call. Okay.
Item 8. Item 8. Item 9.
Sharma, this council in item number 8,
Yes,
you're
Lord.
finding him is constantly in default.
Yes, Lord.
Is he appearing in court or no?
Earlier he was appearing, from last 6 months, Lordship, I have seen Lordship, he is not appearing. What happened, Lordship? I don't know. নহয়, আপনার কোন- Okay.
He's constantly in default. We have discussed,
Yeah.
I think, one or two matters.
Earlier he was appearing, Lordship.
Hmm?
I can get it.
Because earlier we used to see him regularly,
Yes, yes.
but since he's in default for quite some time now.
Let me talk with him.
Just try to find out. Take it up on second call, then we'll pass orders.
Lordship will, can I take 2 o'clock? Because just 3 minutes, 4 minutes left. Better take 3 o'clock. As your Lordship,
At 2 o'clock then.
because otherwise also shall have to sit at 2 o'clock. Lordship has called for the records. I'll just show the legal provisions. That day I didn't show the legal provisions. Okay, applies.
Item 14 for hearing.
Item 14, my lord.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Lordship.
Azmin.
Yes. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. So, Lordship, he will get the benefit. Lord, I think. So. Lordship. I think.
Actually, my lord, in the judgment delivered by, I mean. Okay. Oh. আমার কি এই মানুষগুলো কোনো টেস্ট বানায় বলে for last 5 months মানুষগুলো তাদের ইমান পোর তারপর টেলিফোনের মানে কন্ট্যাক্ট অফ ওয়ান
Time later.
টেলি গার্জিয়ান গার্জিয়ান দিয়ে ভাই গার্জিয়ান দিয়ে ভাই
Lordship, tell him Lordship, what happened Lordship, a person concerned is not traceable at this moment as per his person concerned is not traceable, Lordship. That is the problem.
He is so poor.
Lordship may allow us to take the instruction from the police authority, Lordship. If he is available or not, Lordship. Yes, yes, Lordship. Yes. Let it come after 2 weeks.
স্বপন সরকার
Phone number to give up.
মুর্মু
Ninth of December.
Timing item 7 for admission.
Is your speaker on? Yes.
Your lordship may kindly turn to page 36, your lordship. 1966 voter list. Khusrut
Yes.
Ali Sheikh is the father of the petitioner, your lordship.
Where is your written statement?
Written statement, my lord, page 16, your lordship.
Have you given the name of your family members and the date of death of your father?
At para number 8, my lord, the proceedee is the only son of his father after his father's death in 2003. The proceedee shifted from Udmari Part 3 to Dudnath under Sapur police station. My lord, he was the only son. At para number 7, the stated that the proceedee was born and brought up at village Udmari Part 3 under Bilasipara police station in the district of Dhubri, Assam. And it is also stated, my lord, his grandfather Monai Sheikh. Monai Sheikh is appeared in the 1966 voter list as father of father of the petitioner.
Yes.
Then your lordship may kindly come to page 37. This is the Panchayat certificate was exhibited to prove his linkage with his father. Here in this annexure 4, it is stated Kamal Sheikh. This is the present petitioner, son of late Khurshid Ali Sheikh, is the father. And this document is duly proved by examining the issuing authority. Issuing authority, DW4, your lordship. DW4, page 59.
DW4 in his cross-examination has damaged your case.
59.
In his examination by the tribunal,
Yes, your lordship.
he has demolished your entire case.
Sorry, my lord. 59, your lordship.
In his cross-examination, the
Yes, your lordship.
DW4 has demolished your case.
But examination in chief, your lordship, it is stated.
He does not bring his identity card and prove his own identity. And he says that he has not been authorized by the government to issue certificates.
My lord, in the examination, my lord, he stated that he knows the proceedee personally. Exhibit 2 certificate has been issued by me. Is and exhibit 2(1) is my signature seal. At present, the procedure stays at Sonamukha Dutnath. The contents of the certificate that is agreed to are true. In the cross number 2, I am elected as president of the Gaon Panchayat. The person cannot lie, my lord, that he is a president, elected president. Then one more document which was exhibited to prove his linkage with his father, that is DW5 Kazi secretary.
It is strange to us that a lawyer would say that that a person does not lie.
Plus one.
No, it's okay. I'm not
Well.
questioning you. I'm just finding it strange coming from a learned counsel that people don't lie.
No, my lord, one elected president, how someone can appear and will say that I am elected president and issued this document? How it can be, your lordship?
Always read papers. You will find strange things. People have been working as superintendent of police, sitting in the office of the superintendent of police, being a fake appointee. Is
But
this
my-
year, I think 2 people have been arrested, masquerading as police in Assam.
But my query is that, my lord, if he is not believed to be elected president, why
I'm not saying about
any
anything.
action is not taken
I'm
against
saying
him? Your lordship?
a person can sit in the police station saying that I am a policeman. On that.
But considering the serious issue, my lord, tribunal ought to have given an opportunity to that person to produce any document. Marriage certificate, your lordship, page 38. Page 38, your lordship.
Just stop. One. You see, if you're relying on the marriage certificate,
My lord.
then that marriage certificate also doesn't help you.
But issuing authority was examined, your lordship. But Panchayat certificate and DW five. But such institute was existing since long, my lord. But why government has not taken action against such institute, your lordship? My lord. My lord. Yes, my lord. But illiterate person, what document will rely, my lord? Panchayat certificate, marriage certificate. My lord, his name, against his name, D was marked. So voter list was not issued, certificate copy was not issued. My lord, actually this person is genuine people, your lordship.
Okay. Then Mr. Hammond, you have no document to connect these two document goes.
These two documents are not forged. And fact, are not fake, your lordship. While the tribunal has held that these documents are not trustworthy, and in the meantime, ought to have hold that these documents are forged on,
No,
as
nobody is
action
saying it is
should
fake.
be taken.
But if it is not worth anything, have you read exhibit 3?
Exhibit, your lordship.
Which page is that? In your, next, I think, not a actually. That is exhibit 3.
Yeah.
Exhibit 3(1) is the appointment order of the Inkaki. That. Presented here or, oh, page 65. It is there. Page 65. This is exhibit 3(1). This order is coming from Badalpur, Karimganj. This is not a government appointed Qadi.
Dhubri Jilas Imarate Shariat and Nadatul, my lord, issuing authority.
I understand.
My-
Does it make it a government appointed Qadi?
Page 65.
You can make it a government appointed Qadi. They are not covered by Muslim marriage and Muslim marriage and divorce, the Education Act.
My lord, at that time,
1935, sorry, 1931 or 20. Muslim and marriage, marriage and divorce, the education rules 1934 or 35. different. This is also done something prior to election. Look at the last few lines of the page 65. MS Rahman Secretary, Election Organization, etc. Just before election, he is giving all the certificate. Okay. With the certificate. So-and-so Batam, who is functioning as Qazi Secretary, so-and-so, on verbal authority, thereby appointed as honorary and temporary. They have to work as per so-and-so. Doesn't have to work as per the act. Not bound to work as per the act. If reserve it for orders, we can't be able to prefer in fact.
Point out, madam. One point I'd like to point out furthermore. I have seen the WSN evidence map. The first documents of the projected further is 1966. After 66, there is no document. So, my learned friend has shown my lord that when the father died, that is not clearly mentioned. Because he has in the my lord WS, it is said the language there is my lord.
It is not there. There are there is after.
In para 8, my learned friend shows my lord para 8 of yes, page 70, page 17. 17. So he's trying to show that his father died in 2003, but it is not so, my lord. The Prosody is the only son of his father. After his father's death, in 2003, Prosody shifted from so-and-so to so-and-so. So 2003 can be of only of shifting.
No, it is also stated in the childhood, his father was there.
Yep.
In 2003, he shifted from one place to another, my lord.
Now, in the entire WS, my lord, who is his mother? That is not there. That is very important because the petitioner is there in 2003. My lord. He attained, he was, as per his statement itself, under the record, as per his mother submission, he was 22, 23 years in 2003. So at least along with her mother, along with his mother, and mother along with his father in prior to 1966. Some link with mother, with father, and father, the mother with John, that could be their money. But nothing is there. Nothing is there. not even mentioned who is mother, when did mother died. That is very important. So that aspect may also be considered.
Hmm. Lois in laws.
Timing item 9 for admission.
Yes, Mr. Lordship. Lordship, this matter is led by Mr. P. Naik, additional AG Lordship. He's on legs in court number 10, Lordship. Yes. Yes, Lordship.
Yes, just half an hour, yes. Yes, my. Yes, your lordship, please.
Yeah.
And, It can be done.
Lordship. Lordship.
No, I understood. Yesterday, because my case was not there. I knew yesterday's matter, I was not there. But this is a different matter, I know.
Right.
Timing item 8.
May come after 1 week, my lord. I'm trying to, I tried to contact him, I could not contact.
Petitioner was absent when the matter was called on. The petition was unrepresented when the matter was previously called on 29th and 2025. Therefore, matter stands adjourned for ensure justice. Next. If on the next date of listing, the petitioner is not represented, adverse orders will follow. Give a date after 2 or 3 weeks.
Item 13 for hearing.
Yes, please, lordship. Lordship, in this case, my lord, the only issue was that is to be decided by your lordship, my lord, by virtue of an exhibit, my lord, exhibit F, my lord. my father was declared to be a Indian citizen. Unfortunately, that copy was not a certified copy. My lord. This is the difficulty. But otherwise, my lord, in the year 1997, since my deed was put against my name, for which in the subsequent voter list my name did not appear.
Exhibit F.
Exhibit F. That is the
Where's the finding of the tribunal?
the finding of the tribunal is at page 37, 39. I'm sorry.
And where is the document?
The document is a part of case record, I suppose, my lord. I could not annex it. I'm sorry.
This is Exhibit F.
Exhibit F. Exhibit F. This was decided by a civil court in the year long back in the year
Oh,
19.
Civil court, we have already passed an order.
Yes, my lord. But
We have passed a very descriptive orders why the degree of the civil court cannot be accepted.
look, everything has been thoroughly discussed, my lord, since it's a matter of, my lord, citizenship, my lord. The linkage can be, my lord, somehow, my lord, linked up along with this man, my lord. And everything has been discussed, my lord, in this particular judgment. My lord. This was passed on, my lord, 23rd of December, 1970. my lord.
Oh, I see. It's fine.
And regarding exhibit A, my lord, that is the Gaubura certificate of the paternal village of the petitioner.
Do you remember, Mr. Pang? Civil court, in one of the cases, we said that would not lie.
Yes, but I don't have, I will find it out.
It about 2 months back, passed an order. Civil suit will not die. Therefore, this, even if you take into consideration that, it will be discarded.
Well, I'm trying to link up with this man, my lord. My lord, he's my father, my
We'll
lord.
take it up next.
This is.
Yes.
What says the present? The player may file an office for judgment, matters to John, rest on 17/11/2025. Just find out that judgment.
Yes, I'm good.
Lord, can it be on 18th, my lord, because the 18th will be a hearing day, my lord.
For hearing, we have other matters fixed. So you know how we are operating right now.
Yes, ma'am.
There are several benches and all these matters.
On 17th,
Either 17th or 19th.
19th, then.
19th.
Yes. Baroda judgment. Wait. Wait for a second. Much obliged. 19.
Item 17.
How do you compare the evidence for DW1 and DW2?
Lordship, DW2, page 47. Petition,
47.
page 47. Lordship, petitioner brother also examined DW2, Ahila Rahman. Lordship, page 15. Petitioner father name appeared in the NRC 1951.
Yes. This is different case. This is the earlier matter. Where is the LCR for this? Oh, acha, no, keep it, keep it. Keep it both good. Yes.
Page 15, Lordship. Petitioner father name appeared Hussein Ali. In 1951. Exhibit 1, Annexure 1.
Yes.
In 1966, petitioner father, mother, and brother name also appeared at village Nausatra, case 16.
Where is your written statement?
Written statement, page 12,
12.
Lordship.
Well,
Sorry, Lordship, page 35.
yes. But how do you link yourself to your father?
Lordship, one land document, petitioner name appear along with his brother, not father.
Which page is that?
Page 27, land document. Petitioner name appear at serial number 4, Lordship. Ali Akbar wrongly recorded instead of Akbar Ali.
But there is no document except for this Jamabandi. How did your name occur? It is not there. The year of the Jamabandi is not there. The manner of getting the rights over the land is not there mentioned. And who are these 4 people are not even introduced in the uh, written statement.
Lordship, serial number 3, Ahlar Rahman. He also examined DW2, brother.
Pardon me?
Serial number 3, Ahlar Rahman, brother, petitioner brother.
Yes.
He also examined DW2.
No, but you see in your written statement,
Written
you
statement,
don't give that particulars. In the written statement, you will find no names, not even your mother. Land document is exhibit number
exhibit number 107,
7.
page 85 on record. Land patta showing the name of petitioner brother Bosir Ali, Adibur Rahman, Ahila Rahman, who is DW2. And the petitioner name is recorded as Ali Akbar instead of Akbar Ali, which his petitioner has explained in his evidence in tip as page 42.
It doesn't help you. Come to page 39. Come to page 39. What is exhibit 7 at page 39?
Lordship,
What according to page 39
Lordship,
is exhibit 7? What is it?
exhibit 7, final patta.
Final patta. But look at the document, that is not a patta. So you're that is a Jamabandi.
Yes. So it is there.
No, it's okay. Go to it.
Here it is periodic Kiraspatramat,
Huh?
exhibit 7 is periodic Kiraspatramat.
No, he's showing us this document. Page. Twenty-seven. 27 is not a patta.
27 is not a patta.
Then
27 is not a patta. That is not the document.
some other document is there.
Yes.
Pass it on.
কিবা তলত নেকি তলাই তলাই জুলাই 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 হ'ব লাগে উম। উম।
Annexure 7.
Doesn't prove anything.
Yes.
This document has page 85.
Yes.
Doesn't prove anything. This is a patta which is.
2004 month. 2004. Against
20 years from 2004.
Yes,
So this is a post 71 document.
and it does not link the father.
Link to the file.
Lordship, Annexure 7, kindly see. Annexure 7, kindly see.
Just a-
Page 20,
Page,
page 27.
page 27, yes. No,
Annexure
but
7.
this is not the document. You are looking at a wrong document. Show us the document.
Actually, wow. It's actually. Link to the paper link here. Thank you.
Be prepared. But this is second or third time we are giving you that advantage.
Kindly fix next week, senior will be here.
No, because you have to put it about the back. Don't wait, it's not in because that's what they can't buy it for that. He's over. No, but it's like a little more fair. That you have to take.
Hmm.
Because.
Lordship, 13th, 13th, next
week.
1 week. Our board, Lordship. What interim order of the day? Lordship, interim order may be continued, Lordship. Yes. Actually, everything is destined. Everything is destined. My lord. That's why- Yes. Published.
Paper is for number 5 and pro forma. I'm sorry, but that's not, that matter was going on there. Yes. If you can both try, you can encapsulate within 10 minutes, then we can get it. Today itself. 10 minutes. We'll have to write. 10 minutes, I don't think. Okay. I can complete, but lots of people have to write the order.
Then my part also a little bit, let's go. Published.
21.
But the affidavit has been filed by the respondent number 2. I think it is in the record, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Oh, it will. In. Would be released completely to main. Monday.
My lord, actually, my lord, matter was supposed to hear at 11:30. They are taking time and time, my lord, since 15/9/2025. I understand that was actually, I was telling them that, but my lord will rise. You should come on time, my lord. This is my lord, habeas corpus matter, and my lord, even yesterday also, my lord, the record was not in, affidavit was not with the record. Every day they are delaying the process, my lord.
We'll keep it part heard.
No, my lord, I'm not saying, I'm not on that matter. I'm just telling that, my lord, since 15/9, my lord.
From our expression, did you find that?
No,
Did you hear it?
No, my lord, no.
You want to take it part to take it part?
No, my intention is not that matter.
So then your turn for hearing will come in first week of December. It's part of it from Monday.
My lord,
Sometimes that we are writing at 1:00. Have an assignment. They're not writing to see the ad show.
my lord,
Correct, or to go to a movie.
I understand, my lord. My lord, what I'm telling, my lord, about
That we are writing
respondent number,
to a movie. You can be with us for some time.
my lord,
You can be with us for some time. We'll release at 5:00.
my lord,
You see what we are doing.
my lord.
Also, as I represented, the affidavit filed by the respondent 1 and 2 has been brought on record. Due to positive time, the matter could not be taken up today. List again of 10/11/25. Can you file an affidavit that in every case, when the matter reaches, you will be able to come to court and make the argument can you file an affidavit? Then I'll cancel my assignment. If you can file an affidavit, then whenever your call is court, matter is called in any court, you will be physically present without seeking an adjournment. We are ready, I am ready to cancel my assignment.
No, my lord,
I'll take up this matter.
no, I'm fully happy with your lordship.
No, no,
But
no.
what,
it's not a
what
question
I'm
of being
telling, my
happy.
lord,
It's not a question of being happy. We don't want anyone to be happy or sad here. We want to discharge our duty as a judge here, and you'll have to discharge your duty as a lawyer. If you want that, if Mr. Nath has said that, and you are asking him to be here, since it's a habeas corpus matter, to come on time. I'm asking you on that occasion.
no, my lord,
If-
even yesterday also, my lord.
If 70,
Even yesterday also, my lord.
it's okay, that's why, that every time when the matter is called, you'll be here. Can you file an affidavit in course of the day?
No, my lord, I'm
I'll
sorry.
cancel my appointment.
I'm sorry,
Work. No. I'll do it. I'm very serious about it. When I'm making a statement here, I'll cancel my appointment.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah.